Hello, good afternoon. My name is Salim. I'm a parent of Salim Fawaz Ahmed, and he's my eldest son. In fact, I have all my children studying in this school. And what can I say about the school? I can only say I can actually talk a lot about the school, but let me start by just talking a little about the management's commitment. I have interacted with the headmistress, the administration department, and in fact even the chairman himself. What I find about them is that earnestness to actually, focus on the children's development. That's what actually gets to me, and I think that's a very important component of any school. And I have come from a country in Saudi Arabia. My children have studied there for many years, and what I find about this school is that this is also an equally comparable world-class institution, I can say. And of course, there is a lot of scope of improvement. And what stands out for me here is the commitment of the management, the commitment of the teachers, and in my interaction with all the students and with my peers of my sons and my daughter, and also the individual class teachers, what comes out consistently is that they are focused on the commitment of the child. They are focused on finding out how the child is developing, and they're focused on helping the child to improve his shortcomings. That I find is very important, because it's very easy to just go by rote learning, as they call, and just ask the children to study what is the textbook, but they're actually focusing on the weaknesses of the children and highlighting those weaknesses to the child and to the parent. And it's a very frank and open discussion. I've seen the teachers also telling bad things very bluntly, or rather disadvantageous things very bluntly to the parents, so that they also know. It's a reality check, right? At the end of the day, the teachers just play part of a role in a child's development. It's also the parents who play an equally important role. And I think that's being enforced pretty well in the school. I wish the school well, and I know that the school is planning to expand in a very big way, and to go to much bigger premises. I think that will develop the children's all-round personality that much better, and I really wish them well in their endeavors.